metals. What is reactive metal? So my dear student, let's start with a question. Today I am giving you the most important questions that must come in the examination, that may be come in the examination of CBSE 2026. The few questions. Today is Diwali and it is very prosperous to all of you. This is the main festival of Hindu. All the religions also celebrated this festival of joy and happiness. So my dear student, let us discuss few questions. A questions that what is native reactive metal? Question is what is reactive metals? What is reactive metals? So what do you mean by the reactive metal? The metal which react with moisture. The metals which react with reacts with moisture, oxygen, carbon dioxide or other oxygen, carbon dioxide or other. The metal which react with moisture, oxygen, carbon dioxide or other chemical reagents are not found in nature in free state. Are not found in nature in free state. So but in combined state in the form of compound, in the form of compounds are called reactive metals. So my dear student, some examples are there. Calcium, zinc, iron, magnesium. Calcium, zinc, iron, magnesium, sodium, aluminum, potassium. Potassium, copper, gold, silver. Cesium, etc. So my dear student, let us begin. What is reactive metals? The metals which react with moisture. Air, oxygen, carbon dioxide or other chemical reagent. Different type of chemical reagent. The reactivity with the different type of chemical reagent are not found in nature in free state. The metal which react with moisture, oxygen, carbon dioxide or other chemical reaction are not found in nature in free state, but in the combined state. In the form of compounds are called reactive metal. Means the metal which react with moisture, oxygen, carbon dioxide or other chemical reagents are not found in nature in free state, but in the combined state in the form of compounds are called reactive metal. Like calcium, zinc, iron, magnesium, sodium, aluminum, potassium, copper, gold, silver, cesium, etc. These are the reactive metals. reactive metals. These are the reactive metals. So my dear student, This is all about today. I'm not giving you lots of more classes, lots of more time today because this is Diwali season. Today is a Diwali, the most respective festival, the most important festival of Hindu. Bhagwan Ram returned from Lanka and to defeat the Ravana, and on this auspicious occasion, the whole Ayodhya will decorated with diyas and lots of things. So we celebrate Diwali on this occasion. And today we also pray Ma Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Ma Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha for being prosperous and happy life in future and in the present. Thank you for watching my video. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. My two channels are there, Suraj Anand Teaching and Chemistry Wala Anand Sir. So wish you happy Diwali and most prosperous with lots of happiness. All the best for your CBSE board exam 2026. Thanks for watching my video. Give more views, more share, more subscribe to my channel and share to those students who are the aspirant of 2026. Thank you for watching my video.